How to use iMessage on iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is enable your iMessage. For that, get to your settings, and then from your settings, scroll all the way down. You can see apps, tap on it, and then from here, simply search for messages. Here you can see messages application right here. Tap on it and open its settings, from where if you scroll down a bit, you can get iMessage. Currently, you can see it is turned off. Tap on this toggle button and turn it on. It will take a few minutes in order to turn on your iMessage completely, so wait for a few minutes. And in here under the send and receive, you can see your addresses. It could be 1, 2, or how many that you have put. And after making sure that iMessage has been turned on, all you need to do is simply go back and open your messages. From here, you can now simply open any contacts that you want to send message to. And in here, you can see I have opened a contact I want to send message to. Now I can simply type a message just like this. Hi, and you can see it has now a blue button instead of green. All you need to do is tap, and just like this, you can enable your iMessage on your iPhone. But you have to make sure that the person that you are texting is also an iPhone user, and make sure that they also have their iMessages turned on. So if you try to text anyone that uses Android, it will go straight to SMS. And the final thing that you have to remember is that you have your Wi-Fi turned on. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.